नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वॉटर चॅप्टरचा आता आपण हा दुसरा भाग बघत आहोत. बॉयलर फीड वॉटरसाठी जर हार्ड वॉटर वापरलं तर त्याचे काय परिणाम होऊ शकतात ते आपण मागच्या वेळेस बघितलं होतं. स्केल अँड स्लज फॉर्मेशन, प्रीमिंग अँड फोमिंग, बॉयलर करोजन अँड कॉस्टिक इम्ब्रिटलमेंट ते आपण डिटेलमध्ये आता बघूया. स्केल अँड स्लज फॉर्मेशन. स्लज that means the precipitate. Sludge, it is loose and slimy precipitate form, and while scales are the sticky, hard and adherent coating for first sludge is formed. जेव्हा पाणी उकळलं जातं बॉयलरमध्ये तर तेव्हा लूज प्रेसिपिटेट जे वॉटरमध्ये सस्पेंड होतात, वर येतात, त्याला स्लज म्हणतात, जे आपल्याला डोळ्यांनी दिसू शकतात. त्याच्यानंतर हे जे प्रेसिपिटेट आहेत ते बॉयलरच्या आतल्या साईडला डिपॉझिट होतात काही काळानंतर, आणि त्याच्यातून जे तयार होतं दॅट इज नोन ॲज स्केल. तर आता हे जे आहे याची डायग्राम पण तुम्हाला येऊ शकते, स्केल अँड स्लज फॉर्मेशनची. If the precipitates are loose and slimy, then it is known as sludge. If precipitates are sticky, hard and adherent, which form a coat inside the utensil or inside the boiler, it is known as what? Scale. Now next is formation of sludge, where flow of water is slow. At cooler region or colder region, sludge is formed by the substances which have great solubility in hot water, like magnesium carbonate, magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, magnesium sulfate. They form sludge. Disadvantages of sludge formation is poor conductor of heat, hence more consumption of time and fuel, disturbs functioning of boiler and settles in the region of poor water circulation. How to prevent sludge formation? It is by using soft water, and second one is by using blow down pipe operation. Now scale formation. Scale formation is due to decomposition of bicarbonate. That is when bicarbonates are decomposed into carbonate. This carbonate form calcium hydroxide. Deposition of calcium sulfate, then soluble in cold water as temperature of solubility of calcium sulfate. Then hydrolysis of magnesium salt. These are the it is magnesium chloride. When it get hydrolyzed, then there is formation of scale. अशा पद्धतीने स्केल फॉर्मेशन होतं की जे हार्ड कोटिंग असतं. तुम्हाला रिॲक्शन नाही येणार एक्झाममध्ये, पण स्केल फॉर्मेशन कशापासून होतं ते विचारलं जाऊ शकतं. Disadvantages of scale formation is fuel wastage, lowering of boiler safety, decrease efficiency, danger of explosion. Then how to remove scale? Using wire brush, by using chemicals. Then calcium carbonate scales are used by adding 5 to 10% of HCl. हे खूप वेळा विचारला जातो हा MCQ. How to remove calcium carbonate scale? While calcium sulfate scales, these are removed by adding EDTA solution, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid solution. Then blow down pipe operation or by giving thermal shocks. These are different methods for removal of scale. Now next is what is difference between scale and sludge. Sludge, these are the soft, loose and slimy precipitate, while scale are the hard deposits or hard coating. Then sludge are the non-adherent deposit, while scales stick very firmly to inner surface of boiler. The sludge formed by substances like calcium chloride, magnesium sulfate, magnesium carbonate, while scales they are formed by calcium sulfate, magnesium hydroxide, calcium carbonate and calcium silicate. Sludges are formed generally on cooler or colder portion of boiler, while scale are generally formed at heated portion. It decreases efficiency of boiler but are very less dangerous. Sludges are less dangerous, while scales are more dangerous, or it may cause explosion of boiler. Now next is priming and foaming. Priming, that is process of making wet steam when some of the liquid particles are carried out along with steam. जेव्हा बॉयलरमध्ये स्टीम जनरेशन होतं तर त्या स्टीम सोबत जेव्हा लिक्विड पार्टिकल्स येतात बाहेर, that is known as priming. What is cause of priming? Presence of dissolved salts, high steam velocity, then sudden boiling or sudden increase in steam production. These are the causes of creaming. While foaming is the formation of bubbles in the boiler continuously. की बॉयलरमध्ये सॉल्ट्समुळे बबल्स तयार होतात, that is known as foaming. What is the cause? Presence of oil that reduce the surface tension. It is the cause of foaming. Then next is boiler corrosion. The chemical or electrochemical eating away of metal by environment, it is known as boiler corrosion. Boiler corrosion कशामुळे होतं? एक डिझॉल्व ऑक्सिजन, दुसरा आहे डिझॉल्व कार्बन डायऑक्साईड आणि तिसरा आहे ॲसिड फ्रॉम डिझॉल्व सॉल्ट्स. डिझॉल्व सॉल्ट्समध्ये जे ॲसिड्स असतात, हे ॲसिड्स जे तयार होतात HCl, याच्यामुळे बॉयलरचं corrosion होतं. These are the 3 different ways of boiler corrosion. Disadvantages are shortening the life of boiler, leakage of joints and rivets, increased cost of repair and maintenance. These are the disadvantages. How to remove boiler corrosion? By adding sodium sulfite or hydrazine solution, you can remove boiler corrosion. In next time, we will see caustic embrittlement. Thank you.